i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu Pc138UsLc hydraulic track excavator. Sold and getting ready to load up on this hydraulic tail Trail-Eze semi trailer. Those hydraulic tails are so cool. Just a few levers, it drops the tail down for quick and easy loading. This Komatsu 138, of course, is a legal load. It's going to fit right on there perfectly. It's going to head straight to the job site. Now, if you or somebody you know has idle heavy equipment sitting around being underutilized, we can help you get sold with our consignment sales service, as we do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work construction and farm machinery. You can learn more about that on our website, or if you'd like to call, we're happy to visit with you. Leave it here on the website, i35equipment.com. There's a large inventory of used equipment, as well as buckets, thumbs, attachments, and more. This guy makes it look nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. And like I said earlier, just check out the website to see our full and up-to-date inventory. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory on the website, i35equipment.com.